aba DC barangeli ebintu ebine ebintu byobusuku. We don't want to have them around here settlement. Abantu bale settlement kaba usina abantu bakoromoke, they work very hard, they do their own things, they don't want a favor from you, they just want to work hard and earn their decent living. But there is no favor we have done. We come here and work together as professionals to support abantu wetu. So abantu wetu, the reason why tolese campaign ikuliyo bogambia bagusiba minto itangani tuwekorere gasi yeito tubange bintu bito boronge na into tomenye buna abantu bamenye ta sincere independent taringa tobe buna basomba esto gora hotela ligukera litukuruga ige bintu byo bolimo byoka kende geta ligokolekana umanene bwenze gajite chire kwenye to akore na Ken. We even brought the PS. We were with Ken. We brought that PS housing. We were with Ken Eno Shonyango na PS Muchacha tukagende jire lile jauli ali. The following 2 weeks, the president came there and said from there that he nitamaliza kwa miezi 7 ijayo na nitajenga masoko mengine 7. Mwanyero lile. And the Wednesday was about ya bandaba, kachimo batebiga, toigo turobolimo. Kosa wanomba bengo dawa. Toigo turobolimo. Let's now organize ourselves na bantu twende mbele. Tobangeze yeito na ndi ni ntoka nitine ntuko bangeze yeito. Finally, atuongee mambo hivi tu nini. Jameni, hata wakati tuko na shida, lazima tukumbuke kwamba sisi sote ni wananchi wa nchi hii. Na wale wenzetu wakubwa wa serikali, tukiongea nao, tukiwauliza maswali, tukisema mambo yao, kama ni Finance Bill 2026. Yale tunasema ni mambo kila mtu anaona wazi. Ukiongeza